so we are here on the 44th floor. We're going to reglaze a bathtub and repair another bathtub. But check this out, you guys, we are here in Vegas. We are 44 stories up. There's the Strat, which is also known as the Stratosphere. And we've got guys right here, literally cleaning windows. So crazy. But I've got a tub over here that's stained, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of touch it up. I'm gonna lightly sand it down and just do a spot spray right there. On the bottom of the tub as well, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the bottom of the tub, and just to give it a fresh feel because there's some stains at the bottom. Everywhere else on the tub is pretty nice. Tub over here where we are just going to be reglazing it. There's some repairs to be put on down at the bottom, and then we're gonna go ahead and reglaze it white. Braden's already prepping here, so he's prepping here. He's just gonna tape and mask it. I'm gonna come in and fill those little spots with a little bit of Bondo, and then we're gonna jump right into primering it. So this tub's in pretty good shape. Not too bad, just kind of stained. Not worth really reglazing for them right now. But as you can see, 44 stories up, you're not gonna wanna replace the tub. So I'm just gonna mask off around the drain and just do a real light sanding and then get this sprayed. This will probably come out. This is what's not coming out, so I'm just gonna basically spray around the bottom there. Nothing major. All right, you guys, so basically I've got my appliance epoxy. This actually matches the color the best. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this section right here and then go down and spray the bottom. So, as you can see, blends really well. Boom, just like that, it's all touched up, nice and clean. Bottom looks much better. So now we're gonna start heading over to the other tub to get that taken care of. So Braden got this tub all taped and masked off. I came in and did some putty on some spot repairs. I'm gonna sand this down. There was a bunch of chips or nicks. I don't know if they dropped like a glass door or something in here. But I'm gonna go ahead and sand those down, and then I'm gonna wipe everything down with lacquer thinner, and then I'm gonna spray primer. So we're gonna get ready for that.